If a farmer is looking at new headers, one of the things that is really worth considering is how versatile NXT headers are in terms of the crops that you can harvest with them. My name's Corey Leeson, and I farm near Radisson, Saskatchewan with my wife and my son now. A multitude of crops, I would say, on about 4,000 seeded acres. Years ago, we had several different headers for several crops. Now we've got a header that suits us really well for all the crops that we grow. We've yet to find a crop that the header doesn't do a good job of harvesting. During that sort of optimum harvest window, you want to go. The NXT header allows us to achieve maximum ground speed as well as saving the most crop. That ability to flex the knife and follow the contours of the ground in combination with the adjustable skid shoes makes it a really efficient header for lodged or downed crops. You can change right from the cab, you can adjust lower, higher, and adapt it to field conditions and crop conditions. Vertical knives we got for straight cutting canola. It almost eliminated side shield loss as well as enabled us to pick up a lot of forward speed, and so harvest efficiency increased a lot. The number one key to efficiency is mechanical durability. If it runs day after day without glitches, without breakdowns, that's what really is most important. The machine works when you want to work. That's what we achieve with the NXT header. It's a durable header, works well, and works well on all crops.